Ayan guys ha, katay ng tawag dito. Katin natin yan guys ha. Ang ganito, maliit lang guys ha. Slice like this and then like this ha guys ha. I make good flour like this, small guys ha, you see. I make talented daw guys ha, you see. I make more ha. Yan guys ha, I make more flour. You see guys ha, how to make ha, good. Yan, I cut center ha guys. Yan ha, I cut center. Yan guys, and then like this ha. Then I put here like this. Yan. Where's the other one? Like this guys ha. You see? The same the center guys ha. And then I cut like this. Guys ha. Yan. The same like this guys. And then like this, you see? Guys ha, you see ha, how very easy. Then the center, and then like this only. I put guys ha, I make good guys ha, you see? Like this. You see guys ha, I make good flour. And then like this guys ha, you see. Center and like this guys ha. I not put the one. Guys ha. Yan. Guys ha, cut like this and like this guys, and like this, and then put here in the plate. You see guys ha, I make good flour guys. Yan guys ha. Yung ating mga ano dyan ha, sariling ano na natin to, ilalabas na natin yung ating talented guys ha. Yes, I cut like this, and then I cut like this guys ha, you see. Yeah. You see guys ha, and then I cut the center. Very easy guys ha. And then like this, put like this guys, and like this guys ha. Very easy, make the flour good. You see guys ha, and then like this. Yan guys ha. Yan guys. Guys ha, you see my flowers. I make good guys ha. Wait. Granada ang tawag ko rito, granada guys ha. Yes, I cut here. You see the granada. Wow, very nice ito guys. Very sweet guys ha. Guys, wow. Wow. Wow, you see guys ha. More, you see. Yan now guys. And then let me see ha guys ha. Now I put one by one hair. in my flowers ha guys ha. You see guys ha. I put her on the top, on the top guys ha. Yan. Another here one ha. You see my flowers is very nice guys. Yan na yung ating flower guys ha. Yan guys ha. Yan. I put here. And then one here. One here guys. You see. The very nice flower. Uy. Yan guys ha. You see. Thank you for watching ha. Don't forget share and like in my video guys ha. Chef Eric Malya. And then I put here the center. Yan guys ha. Yan guys. I make circle. Wow guys, you see? Thank you for watching guys ha. This is my very nice flower ha guys. Thank you for watching. Oh, guys ha, I cut now tomato guys ha. What name ada? I forget. Put tomato ha. Tomato. Yes ha guys. I make flower guys ha. I like to small because yeah. Guys ha, I make two flower. That's why I make two good cutting. Guys, you see ha. Now I make two flower. Guys, you see ha. I make flower. You see guys ha, how to make tomato flower. Easy guys ha, only like this. Folding. And guys ha. Wow. And then cut here guys ha. Now I put here in the plate guys ha. I put in the plate. And guys, you see my flower guys. Now is very cute guys, you see. Very easy to make flower guys ha. Yan guys, finish in my video guys. Thank you for watching guys ha. Wow, don't forget share and like my video. Chef Eric Malya guys ha. This is for here. Yan guys. You see guys ha. Thank you for watching. Thank you. And then now I remove all hair. I remove because I eat now more. Yes. Yes guys, you see. And guys ha. Wow. I have more food now, you see. I have more food now guys ha. Wow. I have more food now. Like this guys ha, you see. I have more food now. Thank you for watching guys, you see. Wow. Thank you for watching. Now ready to eat guys ha. Guys, thank you for watching ha. Don't forget share and like in my video. Thank you guys.